UTM parameters are a great way to track your campaign performance, but if you're not using them correctly, they can do more harm than good. In this video, we'll cover the most common UTM mistakes and how to avoid them. Let's dive in. Mistake number 1 is inconsistent naming. Not using a consistent naming structure is one of the biggest reasons campaign data gets messy. Instead, create a clear, standardized naming system for your UTMs and stick to it. This keeps your reports clean and easy to analyze. Mistake number 2 is mixing uppercase and lowercase. Since analytics platforms are case sensitive, uppercase variations will be tracked separately, which can skew your data. Always use lowercase for all UTM parameters to keep your data consistent. Mistake number 3 is using spaces instead of underscores. Spaces and URLs get converted into special characters, which looks messy and can cause tracking issues. Use underscores instead. They're cleaner and more reliable for UTM tracking. Mistake number 4 is skipping source or medium. Always include both UTM source and UTM medium in your tracking. These required parameters are essential for identifying where your traffic is coming from and how it reaches your site. Mistake number 5 is tagging internal links. Never use UTMs for links within your own website. Doing so will overwrite the visitor's original source and distort key metrics like visit duration. Keep UTMs strictly for external campaigns instead. Mistake number 6 is using long or unclear values. Keep your UTM values short and descriptive. You should be able to understand the source, medium, and campaign at a glance without having to use lengthy terms. And finally, mistake number 7 is including sensitive information. This might seem pretty obvious, but you should never include private or confidential information in your UTM parameters. URLs can be shared publicly, and exposing sensitive data could pose a serious risk. Well, that wraps up our list of common UTM mistakes and how to avoid them. When you're ready to create your own UTM links, check out our free UTM builder on our website. It's a simple way to track the performance of ads, referrals, backlinks, and more. I've added a link for you in the description below. Remember to leave a like if you found this video helpful, and we'll see you in the next one.